My name is Mohammed, and today I'm going to discuss Consortium of Selective School in Essex and for the grammar school admissions, 11 plus preparations, okay. And in this video I'm going to discuss about entry examination, which is going to be held 19th September 2020. So you need to get registered. Your child, which is going to start 19th May 2020 to until 1st of July 2020. So please log in csse.org.uk and enter your details and your child details. So I'm going to discuss about in this video today how they are testing, okay. So there are two papers, one is the English, other is a Maths. English paper based on three parts: comprehension, applied reasoning, and continuous writing. Comprehension for 40 minutes, applied for 10 minutes, and continuous writing for 20 minutes, okay. So in comprehension is obviously just the story, okay. So your child need to read the passage, okay, which is around for 50 lines, okay, and after that, okay, he needs to answer for those questions. And after that, they will give you 10 minutes for applied reasoning. They are checking about missing letters, okay, or spelling. So more or less there are 5 questions for the applied reasoning. And the continuous writing, okay, they will ask to write about 6 or 7 sentences for each topic. So there are basically two different topics they will ask to write down 6 or 7 sentences. So they are basically checking about the whole paper, the idea of vocabularies, grammars, and structures of the writing as well, okay. And secondly, for the maths, in the maths paper also based on 3 parts, which is mental arithmetics, okay. The weightage for mental arithmetics around 15 marks, and the reasoning and the words problem weightage around 45 marks out of 60. So basically these are the way they are testing about your child for the entry exam. And more or less, if you know about the passing marks, 303, which is equal to 60% overall for both paper, English and Maths. So if your child wanna pass to this exam, he must secure 60% overall in English and Maths. In this short period, I would recommend how to prepare your 11 plus. So I'm going to tell you a couple of books, okay, which are very good and we've been using for a long time. For the comprehension, you can use Key Stage 2, Comprehension 1 and 2, and the author is Schofields and Sim. And same as You can use the bond series for the verbal reasoning, okay, but you need to start from 8 to 9 years. Once he finished, then move on to 9 to 10, and after that 10 to 11. And this is for the English. And now I'm going to share with you, we've been using these books as well for the maths, and this is also a series of Schofield's and Sims and the mental arithmetic 4, 5 and 6. And I would suggest, if your child is above average, if your child above average or average, so you must start from the book number 3. So on the back of the book you can see they have series of the books, okay, they have from 1 to 6. So what I suggest to you, first you need to start with the book number 3. Once you finish 3, then you can move 4, 5 and 6. So these are for Essex Grammar Schools preparations. So if you like my video, please leave your feedback and also subscribe my video. Thanks.